Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're installing this large deck box by Suncast. It has the really nice wicker look to it, so it's going to match our chairs, and it's going to be a nice place where we're going to be able to stow all of our pillows or anything that we have outside that we want to keep out of the weather unless we're using it. This one measures 50 inches wide, and it's 25.5 inches both in depth and height. It's rated at 99 gallons of storing area, so that's how they measured it. So we're going to open it up here and just lay out all the pieces, and it's very simple. It's basically just going to pop together with the exception of basically 3 screws. So you'll need a cross-point screwdriver and a pair of cutters or something to break the zip ties. So we went ahead and laid this all out, and I like to put this down on carpet where it's not going to scratch it. Maybe do it on the lawn if you want. This is the top part here, and this is the bottom here. And it doesn't really matter which side we're using first. This is the bottom tray. We're just going to lift it up and put it into the side panel. So right here at the bottom, you'll see the grooves that it fits into. And so we're going to go ahead and just line that up and push down on it. You'll hear it click into place as you push on it and line it up. And again, it doesn't matter which side panel we start with, we'll just bring the other one in next. But this is what it looks like. And as you can see, just line it up and pop it in. Next, we're going to bring in our other side panel. And we're going to line it up. You can see it has the handle on the side. And we're going to go ahead and lift it up and just put it straight on top. And again, we're just popping this panel in from the side. So just line it up. You can give it a good little kick and it'll pop right in. Okay, so our front and rear side panels are in place now. Next, we're just going to bring in the left and right side panels here. And it's the same thing. They just pop right in. So line it all up and just give it a nice little tap. I was able just to do it with my hand. You don't really need a hammer or anything like that. Okay, so now we have all of our side panels on and the floor in place. We're going to go next and we're going to use our cutters to cut off this little support beam that they give us. Next, we're taking our top panel here, and as you see, there's a little double latch piece at the bottom. And then the top of it up here is going to have 2 screw holes where we're going to put that support bar. So you can see one of them here, and then the other one's directly on the other side. So our support bar, you want to take the flat part, make sure that it's touching the box first. So we're going to lay it down flat like this, and we're just going to line it up with the screw holes here. Next, we're just taking our 2 screws that are provided. These are the bigger screws that come in the kit, and we're just putting them down into each side here. And now our support bar will be attached on each side by those screws, and just get them down snug on each side evenly. And this is what it should look like here, the bottom, flat bottom part down first on each side. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and bring in our L bracket, and it goes to the very top of this panel, and it's going to sit like this. And we're just going to go ahead and screw that down with the gold screw that's supplied. And so that's what it should look like with the orientation. And it's going to be in the top panel here. Next, we're going to bring our top panel in. We're just going to line it up into the 3 hinge marks. And so with the 3 hinges lined up like this, we're just going to come in with our pins and put them in. So these plastic pins look like this. We're just going to come in from the side, line it all up, and pop it right into place for each of these hinges. So it's very simple. Just bring them in from the sides, line it up. The instructions said to put it on its side for this, but it worked really well just having it standing up. So we lined all these up and just popped them into place, and then all the hinges were done. Okay, our last step is going to bring in our straps. And so basically we're going to find the little cutout here, and we're going to pop this in until it clicks. And then the key with this now is we want to twist it so that as the deck box lid closes, it folds inward. So we're going to give it a slight twist, and then we're going to pop it in, and it helps to lift that lid slightly so that it'll reach and pop that right into place. So before you pop it in all the way, you might want to test close it, make sure that it's going in the right direction. It should have that nice twist into it, And then again, as you close that lid, it should be folding inward so that it'll close properly. Okay, we're going to go ahead and repeat this step on the other side and put our nice little twist in it. And as you close it, again, see if it folds in properly. So that's as simple as it is. It's a very quick install. It just pops together with those 3 screws and that support bar. And it's a very nice touch to the yard. It's going to be a really nice thing to be able to put these expensive cushions and everything inside, or if it's a windy day, you can put them in this box where they won't blow away. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please check out the link in the video description. I'm going to have a playlist for all my installs like this that I've done. And if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.